Hey guys, welcome to my room. Today I'm doing a room tour, so let's get started.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet.
So when you first walk into my room, you have my bed right here, and I'm really excited to be partnering up with LeighDeux in this video. It's not sponsored, but she did allow me to have these products in the video, so huge thank you to her. But I'm first going to show you guys my bed and the cool bedding and decor and pillows on it because I'm absolutely in love with it. LeighDeux is a really good bedding company. They make a ton of colors and options with all their bedding, and they're made with the best quality ever. Like, if you feel this fabric, it's so well made and you can tell, and it's also like really soft. They specialize in extra long twin bedding for dorms, but if you just want their bedding for your own room right now, they also have full and queen sizes, so it's good. They've got a variety of options. So this duvet cover right here is one of my favorites because it has this really pretty coloring. It has purple, gray, and white, which goes with a ton of different things, which is why I really like it. And it just kind of adds a pop of color. And then it also has this coordinating little throw pillow right here, which I think is adorable, as well as this throw pillow, which is really furry. I like stuff like this. And then also this cute little throw pillow. They have tons of pillow options and coordinating options because, as you can see, we also have some pillow shams that match exactly with the duvet cover, which I absolutely love. So on this wall next to my bed, it was kind of white and boring, so I wanted to add some cute things to it. So I decided to add on these little pictures from my HP Sprocket printer from Christmas. Just has pictures of my friends and me. And then I love this painting. I had it on a different wall before, but this is actually painted by my cousin, Coco and Magnolia. Make sure to go follow her on Instagram. She's so talented and makes the best artwork ever. So she actually sent this to me, which was so sweet. I just think it's beautiful. If you're in college and you really want a cute dorm room and you want to match with your roommate, you can each get your own duvet cover with matching shams and pillows and everything, but you can get them so that they coordinate and not match exactly. So that way you guys can both have your own style, but everything matches together, which I'm totally gonna do in college. So on the bed, this is one of my favorite parts of it. It's actually a headboard pillow, which is what the company is known for, and I think they're the coolest things ever. Basically, it's like a pillow, but it looks like a headboard. So I'm definitely gonna be using one of these in my college dorm next year because I don't want to get a real headboard. This is perfect for propping up and you're doing homework, watching YouTube videos, reading. Like, look how cool that is. They have tons of different materials and styles and designs that are coming out. So I think this is one of like the best inventions ever, to be honest. So if you guys want to do this yourself on your own bed, all you do is just start with a pillow headboard in either a twin, full, or queen size, and if you have a king bed, you can just put two twin pillow headboards together. And then you can choose your duvet design, and also they sell the plush inserts, which are really easy to put in, and they're also very comfortable. And they also offer bed skirts, lamps, accessories, other things that you can add. And something I really love about LeighDeux is that they're all about girl power, and it's all run by females, which I think is so cool. And every time you buy something on the website, a percentage of that goes to helping women in entrepreneurship. So then right next to my bed, I like to keep this desk. I actually used to have a nightstand here, but I decided to switch it up and put my white desk here because I think it's just so much nicer. And I just decorated with some little books, my daily devotion, this other book I'm reading, Eleanor and Park. I also like to keep some of my pencils and markers for watercolor, and also this little DIY that I made in a video like 2 or 3 years ago. I still think it's kind of cute, so I put that on my desk. And then I have this little chevron gray lamp also from LeighDeux. I think it's a really cute design, and it also lets off some really good light. And then we also have this little poof from LeighDeux. I really like the design. Everything just coordinates together really nicely, and I love the colors on this. I use it as a desk chair. It's super comfy. I really don't know what I'm doing, but yeah. So if you guys are moving into college soon and want to make your dorm room super cute, or if you just want to redo your room at home, then I'm going to have the LeiDeux website linked down below because all their stuff is super cute and amazing. I'm so excited to decorate my dorm room with all their stuff for college. And also make sure to go follow them on Facebook and Instagram. All the socials are going to be linked down below. And I'm also super excited because I'm doing a giveaway with them, which you guys, I can't wait because I want to give away some awesome stuff. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is follow LeiDeux on Instagram and find this picture right here and comment on it and tag 2 friends. Also like the picture, and then you have the chance to win your very own pillow headboard in any shape, size, style that you want. So make sure to go enter that. It's gonna be super, super fun. So again, huge thank you to LeiDeux for letting me use this in today's video, and check out their website below. So moving on. So now we're gonna move on to this side of my room, we have these two shelves that I've had for a while. I painted them white from our old house. They used to be brown. So up here I keep some books. Then in this little shelf we've got my yellow Polaroid camera and also some film back there. Then we have this little plant from IKEA. I just wanted some greenery in my room. And then I have this little hand that I just keep there because I don't know, I think it's kind of funny. Camilla gave this to me for my birthday, so I like it. It's going right here. Then I have some of my favorite candles here from Bath & Body Works. Moving down here, we have some more books here. I've got some of these little tea light candles that my friend Sydney Severa gave me. I love her so much. And next we have my nail polish. I got this little plastic rack from Amazon, except like I have too much nail polish, it kind of overflows. But you know, it still works. Then moving down, we've got some more books. This is when it gets more disorganized. Just keep some binders and journals and random mishmash stuff. I also have the, don't even know what's in here, but this is clearly just like a big old mess of stuff. Then these last two shelves we're not really gonna go into that much because I actually have not unpacked this stuff since I moved houses like almost 2 years ago. But it's basically just like markers and random junk that I haven't unloaded yet. Then we have my ukulele right here. I love this so much. And a little strap right here that my aunt and uncle gave me. And I got this little wall holder from Amazon. It was probably like $5 and it works. It just keeps my ukulele safe and on display. And moving on, this is one of my favorite parts of my entire room. It's so cute. I actually just did this like last week. Basically, I made this whole eucalyptus garland. It was really easy to make. I got the eucalyptus at Michael's and then I just glued it to some twine and push pinned that up on my wall, and it just adds like a really nice greenery look to it. It also smells amazing. Then I just put some fairy lights around it for videos, mainly to give some of that like bokeh in the background. I think that looks really cute. And then this is the newest addition to my room. We've got a little couch here. It's from Wayfair. It's just a nice simple tan looking couch. Clearly my cat loves to sleep here. Literally, she's in here all day, every night. I got these pillows at Target. I think they're kind of cute and neutral, so they go with a lot of different things. Also have this one. I like the gold and pink in it. If you're wondering what this little guy is, my friend Olivia gave this to me for my birthday, kind of as a joke. It's a little fox stuffed animal. I mean, I just thought this was a perfect little place for him. Yeah. Oh! Then we have my nightstand, which I got from Amazon. I just keep random stuff in here. This candle is from my friend Lauren. It's a pineapple candle. It makes my room smell so good and summery. I love it. Then we have my YouTube plaque, which still amazes me every time I look at it. It makes me so happy and grateful for all of you guys. Next, I keep this little daily gratitudes journal. It's just filled with a bunch of things you can write down about what you're thankful for. I got this for my birthday as well. And this is kind of a bulky part to my room, but it's just this fan. It's super nice because my room gets really, really hot, so I turn this on like every single night, and it just keeps me alive. Then we have this, which is from IKEA, and I like to keep all my makeup and different products in here. Hair products, I'm not gonna go in here because they're really disorganized. I'm trying to be more I'm trying to be more organized, but sometimes I'm just not good at keeping my drawers clean. But on top of it, I like to keep my record player from Urban Outfitters and some records underneath here. And then on top of here, it's a little disorganized. Like I said, like this is honestly what my room is like. I keep some camera lenses and SD cards. This is a random bag of chocolates that I got for my birthday. I didn't really know where else to put these, so I just keep them up here on display. I'm such a mess, oh my gosh. Then we have my closet here. This, I like to keep a lot of my crafts in here for DIYs and stuff. And I also keep old room decor and different like holiday decorations in there. On the door here, I like to keep my Konkin, however you say it, backpack, because I like how it's on display here. I think it's kind of a cool room decor piece, and also it reminds me to wear it and I don't just forget that I have it. Next we have my dresser. This is from IKEA as well. And on top of it, I just keep these little Urban Outfitters perfumes, as well as this Flower Bomb perfume, which smells so good. I honestly want to put it on right now. Then I have this painting. Oh, I smell that. I literally just ingested that perfume. Then we have this painting that one of my dad's friends actually painted for me. It's so nice of him. It's beautiful. I just love it. It kind of matches the whole color scheme in my room. So this has been in my room for years, even in the old house. And then on this side, it's looking a little messy, but it works for me. So I have this little jewelry holder from Target in the dollar section, and I just keep headbands, jewelry, necklaces, stuff like that. Then I've got my rose water spray, just some makeup products that I use more often than other ones. Oh, there we go. Next to my dresser, I like to keep this mirror. This is from Wayfair.com. I think it was probably like $100, which is actually pretty cheap for a mirror like this. It's just where I choose all my outfits in the morning. Then you're back at square one with my door right here. So that is it for my room tour. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to subscribe down below and click the notification bell. Please be sure to go check out my merch collection. It's linked down below. And if you guys post a picture of yourself wearing my merch and tag me, I'll put you on my Instagram story. Make sure to go check out LeiDeux and enter that giveaway. Again, the details are all linked down below, and they have really awesome products, so you don't want to miss out on that either. That was a big mouthful, but thanks for watching again, guys. I love you so much, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.